How to create or open TEMU account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to create or open TEMU account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TEMU application on your device. You will be led to the login portal of TEMU. Go ahead and enter your email address and tap on Continue. You can also sign up using your Google account, your Facebook account, your Apple ID, or with your phone number. I will sign up using my email. So, if you are signing up with your email too, enter the email address and tap on the Continue button. You will then be asked to enter a password, so go ahead and enter a strong password and tap on Register. You will then be asked to enter your mobile number, but that is totally optional for the time being, so you can tap on the Not Now option, and with this, as you can see, the account has been created successfully. So, this is how you can create or open TEMU account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.